Hey y'all, welcome back to Jersey Girls Cooking. Today we are doing cube steaks and a side of Knorr rice sides, just a chicken flavor. I'm just throwing stuff together. And a side of broccoli for the hubby. You're gonna need an onion, your pepper. I use Goya Adobe. I do my paprika, and I use a little bit of garlic. And you're gonna, if you make your gravy from scratch, then you're gonna, do your gravy. But I do a packet of gravy, and I have my fresh minced garlic, and it does say vegetable oil on here, but I'm using canola oil today. And then you're going to need some type of flour, and my flour is right here. Let's get that opened. So what I like to start off when I first start cooking, these are the main things that are going in the oven, in your pan real quick, is, like your onion, your garlic. I like to add that in at the end, because if you don't watch that garlic, it will burn on you. So we're going to get this onion cut up. Let's scroll down. And I'm only using a half an onion. So, cut that in half because I don't like, I love the flavor of onions, but I don't like to. Perfect. Alright. So I'm going to wash my hands. Here's my towel. Here we go. Now, while I'm doing all this, we're going to get the rice on. I showed y'all before, and the broccoli on over in the rice cooker. So we got the rice down in there, the rice cooker. I'm going to put the inlet in, bag of broccoli. Good for him right there. And I'm going to drop a little pack of my seasonings that I do with all our vegetables. This is what it looks like. I use this in all our seasonings. Open up a little bit and sprinkle on, and that's going to drip down in your rice as well. And that's enough. And just put the lid on, and we're done with that. All right, y'all. So we got the onion cut. We got the meat over here. I washed it already, and then that's the excess here. So we're just going to hit it with our pepper. My Goya. Add a little garlic. Ooh, that's a little strong and pepper. Pepper done buffed up on. And I always like to add my paprika to any of my meats. A little extra. That one's out the way. And then you're going to need your flour. So we're just going to sprinkle down. I usually do shake that in the bag, but I don't want it too coated. And yes, I am using my seasoned pan. So we're going to get that up. Some flour dropped in here. Brush that down a little bit. And I'm going to put a little oil in here. A couple squirts. Drop my onions down. This is what we're doing today. Meantime, the broccoli and the rice, it is cooking. Let that get translucent and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we got to turn this down. Get these slivers of cube steaks in here. The onions is cooking. Slap it all down in there. This is why I like this top English pot. It may be old and look crazy, but it fits a lot of meat when you're cooking. And like I said, I'm never getting rid of it because it's seasoned, and I've had this for about 7 or 8 years. Alright, y'all, so I'm just taking 2 packs of regular gravy. As you can see, the onions, everything done trickle down. I'm going to use this cup. I'm just going to add my water, my gravy to the mix. Stir it up. Fire up a little bit. Pour that in there. So it looks like I only need 1 pack, which is good. And then I usually add some steak sauce. I don't have no A1 sauce. So today we're using generic. And then I like Worcestershire sauce in my cube steaks. That gives a lot of flavor. Worcestershire sauce. And then I want this to slow cook. Now, if I had this in the pressure cooker, which I keep forgetting about, it would have been done already. And the meat would have been tender to the bone, you know, tender. But we're going to slow cook this until that gravy comes up to a roll. And I'll be back. Put the dome on it. I don't know what I was thinking about. Why I did not put this in the Instant Pot. And that means I'm cleaning up 2 pots. So we're going to just do this the old-fashioned way before I had got my Instant Pot. Yep, that's done. That'll warm. The rice and the broccoli is done. So we're going to put that on warm and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So you see the gravy that came through a raw bowl. Some like this a little bit more tender. You know? But it's ready. This is ready. Rich gravy. We're going to go ahead and plate it.